Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Wawa store. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in store.wawa.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Wawa store homepage. Now click on the account icon at the very top right corner and this will take you into the login as well as sign up page. If you don't already have an account, just type in your preferred email address that you wish to use for your account and click on continue. You will then be asked to enter the 6-digit code that has been sent to your email. So just log into your email address that you just entered and you will find your 6-digit code within your inbox. Just enter this code within the given box and click on the submit button. And now you will be signed up to your newly created Wawa account right away. You will be able to change your account settings from the top section by clicking on profile as well as the settings button. And now you can click on go to store in order to start shopping on the Wawa store right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Wawa store. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.